Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't want to do that. You're watching me and it's like...
Okay.
You look cute though. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Leah, for those of y'all who don't know. For those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing a lot of pastel looks going on Instagram lately, so I thought I would hop on the trend in this. Hold on, just look, y'all. Look at this glow. Anyway, this is the end result. If you guys want to see how I look so out of this world, nigga, I'm so sci-fi. Anyway, pretend like I didn't say that. I can't help it. Anyway, continue watching. We're going to start today by priming our face using the Tarte Quench primer. We're going to apply that all over our face and work it in really well. This primer is super hydrating and I love it so much. Next I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation in the color Tahoe, and I'm going to apply this all over my face, and then I'm going to wet a beauty blender and I'm going to blend that into my face. I'm going to blend it all the way down my neck so it looks like a seamless color match. Then I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer in the color Honey, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Now I do have some vicious dark circles going on today, so I'm also going to use my Kevyn concealer, skin enhancer, whatever. And I'm going to apply that directly underneath my eyes as well, where those dark circles are. Now skin enhancer is really bright, which is why I'm also using the Born This Way concealer so that it tones it down a little bit more. I do want the focal point of this look to be just the eyes, so I want everything else to be kind of neutral in tone. Next, I'm going to set that with the Midnight Banana powder. And then I'm also going to pre-set my nose contour by baking it. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder in the color Cashew. I'm going to use that to set my face. I don't really know where that footage went, but I'm going to be using this Too Faced Gold Chocolate Soleil bronzer today, but I wanted to show you guys I also have the original, which is a matte finish. The one I'm using today is going to be the shimmer finish right here, so you can see the difference. They smell so good, just like chocolate. Oh my gosh, the fat girl in me wishes they were edible. Not gonna lie. Y'all remember when Jessica Simpson had that edible line? Or y'all too young for that? Am I showing my age? Whatever. I'm gonna set that with the Versace Skin Mist, and that's just going to erase that powdery look that's left over. Then I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the color Eden. And this is just not only going to ensure that your eyeshadow stays on all day without creasing, but it also makes the color pop more. Now if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that little square on your right hand corner for me. Next we're going into the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. We're going to start off with the color Momentum. And we're just going to pat that all over our lid to kind of set the primer, and then we're going to go into the color Libra and we're going to apply that all over our lid. It doesn't have to be clean. Next we're going to go into Ultraviolet and we're going to put that through our crease and drag it all the way to the inner corner of our eye, and then we're going to blend that very well. Now, is it just me, or does one eye always have like a better color payoff for y'all? Because That is always the case with me, and it's so freaking stressful. Next, I'm going to take this Smashbox primer water and I'm going to spritz an eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to use that brush and put it into the Cosmic color and use that to apply it all over my lid again, just because I wanted some shimmer. This allows you to pick up more product on your brush. Next, we're going to use that angled eyeliner brush and go into the color Vortex, and we're going to create a winged eyeliner using the eyeshadow. Now, this can get a little messy just because the eyeshadow can drop and go places it's not supposed to be. So we will be cleaning that up with our concealer and a little brush. And we're just going to make it sharper. Wherever we don't want that eyeshadow to be, we're just going to erase it using the concealer. And then we're going to repeat the process on the other eye. And just to clarify, we're going to be using the Born This Way concealer, not the Kevyn & Con concealer, to clean this up. Now, it's okay if they're not twins. Sometimes mine are cousins, and that's okay. Now we're going to go back into the color Ultraviolet, and we're going to put that on our bottom lash line. I was lazy and I used a thicker brush than I should have, so again, I will be going back into the concealer with a smaller brush to clean that up later. You don't want to look like a raccoon. You just want to have a little bit of color underneath your lash line so that it looks cohesive and ties everything back together. Going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara as always. I don't use lashes. If you do, this would be the point you would put them on. Pro tip, whenever you mess up your makeup, use a Q-tip to erase it without messing up your makeup. Now we're going to go into the color Karma, and we're going to use this as our transition color. This just makes it so there's no harsh line between your eyeshadow and the rest of your eye to eyebrow space. Most people do this before they start any other part of their eye color. I do this at the end because it's just easier and looks better to me. Next, we're going to go into Super Moon, and we're going to use that as our inner corner highlight. Normally, I just do the bottom of my eye as an inner corner highlight, but today I'm feeling a little spicy, so I'm going to do the bottom and the top for just a little extra pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? Now we're going to go into our Glow Kit by Anastasia in this tourmaline, and this is where it's about to get real. I'm going to spray my brush so that we get a better highlight payoff, and ooh, just look at that glow. In all honesty, I could have stopped here, but I told you we were going to be out of this world, so I'm about to be extra as hell, and we're really about to glow. Now, it did come off looking a little greasy / shiny in the video for my intro, but as y'all saw in the teaser video, and if you haven't seen it yet, go look at my Instagram and you'll see it. That'll be linked at the end of the video and below for you guys. But anyway, in the teaser video and in real life in the pictures that I took to promote this video, you'll see it does not look shiny or greasy on camera or outside in the light. It's just the fact that I have these harsh ring lights in my face. So this harsh artificial light is being reflected off all these sparkles on my face times 10, which wouldn't happen naturally outside or like with indoor lighting. So I'm still Gucci. Moving on, we're going to take that same brush that we used to set our foundation with, and we're going to go over all our highlighted areas just to tone that down a little bit and make it more cohesive with the rest of our face. And then I thought I was going to set my makeup using the Urban Decay setting spray, but I ran out. So we're just going to switch to the E.L.F. setting spray, which works just as well. And let that dry, and then we're going to go into the Fenty Beauty lip balm in the color Fussy. And now that the face is complete, we gotta do something with this hair.
Okay, this glow is really killing me, y'all.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on my social media. See you guys on my next video.